Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on Dogelon Mars. In today's video, I would like to show you once again this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, and you can see that after the breakout, the price line also broke out the sub channel as well, but got rejected by this long-term resistance of 0.0000 and $0042 that had been previously working as a resistance here for several weeks. And before that, it also worked as a support here as well, and here it worked as a resistance, and now again it is breaking as a resistance. And after the rejection, the price and re-enter the same up channel that was previously broken down. You can see that after the rejection, first the price and retested the previous resistance of the channel as a support and tried to move up. We had a nice bounce, but the price and again moved down and broke down the support. And at the same time, Dogelon Mars is not able to break out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. The previous rejection was happening here, and now it is once again rejected, but this time we have broken out the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud and got rejected by the upper bands of the Ichimoku bearish cloud, and this time it is testing the lower bands as a support. And in today's video we will analyze this move, but before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal works, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for FIS, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal. For example, in this case, I shared the signal on 28th of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell targets on and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price had moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button like I'm doing here, and after that it will show you how the price had moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell targets on. Now let's move to the live chart of Dogelon Mars, and this is the 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that since after the month of November 2021, it was moving inside this very huge falling wedge pattern. And this was a multi-year space resistance, by the way. Therefore, after breaking out, we are expecting a very massive bull run for Dogelon Mars. And this is just the beginning of this bull run. By the way, from this low to this high, so far it has rallied almost 350%. But could not continue this very long-term rally to the upside because of this long-term resistance of 4.2, and we got another rejection here. Previously it had been breaking as a resistance here and support here, and now it again broke as a resistance. At the same time, Dogelon Mars is also trying to break out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well, and you can see that this time we have broken out the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud and now got rejected by this upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and we are re-entered the same up channel as well that was previously a few weeks ago broken out, and now we are testing the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. If it will break down this lower bands, then it can test the support of the channel somewhere here, possibly at 1570. However, there is a probability that after this price accumulation, you can see that this is the third week that the price is moving at the support of lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and it can try to break out this very huge resistance on. This is a very significant resistance on that starts from 2205 and goes to 250, and you can see that previously this level has been working as a support zone here for several weeks, a month, and after the breakdown it was flipped into a resistance zone, and now again it can work as a resistance zone for the price, and as soon as it will break it out, then again it can try to break out the resistance of this up channel as well. Now if we take a look at the target for the expected breakout from this channel, then after the breakout, once the price and will be able to break it out, then target will be here. For example, if we will break it out from here, then target will be very close to the next resistance of 5520. The target will be here at 5122, but in my point of view, after breaking out this channel, it can also try to break out the resistance of 5520 as well. That has been previously breaking as a resistance here, and support here. And now if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be 5 times 0, $2276. So this was the update so far I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.